Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be making so mein noodle salad. Enjoy our fresh and colorful so mein noodle salad. This easy-to-make dish features so mein noodles and a variety of vegetables, perfect for a quick summer lunch. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 2 servings of so mein noodles. For the toppings, 2 boiled eggs, 1/2 of tomato, 1/2 of cucumber, a handful of lettuce, a little sprout. For the dressing, 1/2 cup of minced, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1/2 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. Step 1. Cut tomato into bite-sized pieces. Shred cucumber and lettuce. Cut boiled eggs in half. Step 2. Combine minced, mayonnaise, and ground sesame seeds. Step 3. Boil plenty of water in the medium saucepan. Add so mein noodles and cook according to the package instructions. Stir the noodles with chopsticks to separate them while cooking. Step 4. Drain using the strainer and quickly rinse under cold running water to cool it down. Place the so mein noodles on a plate, arrange the toppings, and serve with the dressing. I hope you enjoy this fresh and colorful so mein noodle salad. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.